Hi, in this video we're going to explore further harder factorisation techniques, in this case where we've got a mixture of unfactorised expression and a factorised expression with brackets. So this is divided into two parts, this question. We first need to factorise x squared plus 14x plus 45. Let's remind ourselves how we do that. Well, if I just copy this expression out, we've got x squared plus 14x plus 45. To factorise a quadratic like that, we previously saw that we found two numbers that add to give the number in front of the x, the coefficient of the x, usually the middle number, and multiply to give the constant term, usually the last number. So they add to give 14 and multiply to give 45. What two numbers can we think of? Well, if we just think of factors of 45, what two numbers multiply to give 45? Well, we could have 9 and 5 times to give 45. Do they add to give 14? Well, yes, they do. So therefore, with the 9 and 5, what we can do is have two brackets. Because this is a quadratic in x, it's going to be x and x, so the first two, the term at the start of each bracket. And then the two numbers we found with 9 and 5, we've got plus 9 and plus 5. Either way around. So we've got this factorisation of the x squared plus 14x plus 45. And then it says part B, hence or otherwise fully factorise this expression here. So now this x squared plus 14x plus 45, I can replace with its factorised form. So we want to factorise x plus 9, x plus 5, and then plus the rest of it, which is x plus 5, x plus 4. And then remember, with most of the videos in this series, we've always tried to spot if there's a common factor between terms. So is there a common factor here and here that we could factorise out? Well, there's this whole bracket of x plus 5 that you can see they have in common. So we can factorise that out. And we just simply take that out. We do x plus 5 like this, and then open another bracket. And then we say, well, x plus 5 multiplied by what is equal to this? Well, it's just x plus 9. There's no need to put the bracket. And then x plus 5 multiplied by what gives you this over here? Well, it's the x plus 5 times x plus 4. So we can put plus x plus 4. Again, we don't need the bracket there. And then all we need to do is just tidy up that second bracket. So we can collect like terms. We've got x plus x here, which is 2x. And we've got the 9 plus 4 there, which is 13. And we are done. That is the fully factorised expression.